Hey guys, back here again with some more booster packs to open up. I have two more Dragon Ball Z Hero Collection Series 1. So, let's just get right into it. I am looking to complete this set. I do have quite a bit, but although there's a lot of cards in this set, over 140. So, there's the Hollow card, Trunks first cell. Let's get it focused up there if I can. Probably not on the... Let's try Krillin. There we go. And we have Krillin. And there's Krillin and the Grand Elder. Krillin again. And there's Bulma. Looks like the Cell egg there. And there's Cell. Piccolo. Bulma. That's Purunga. And then Son Gohan. Almost forgot his name there for a second. The Namekian Dragon. Alright, the Z Fighters is the Hollow card. And then we have the Ginyu Force. There's Videl. There's Gordo. Raccoon. Gohan and Goku. Krillin again. Vegeta vs. Cell. And there's Vegeta. And Berter. Alrighty guys, that will do it for these two packs. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.